Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp unable to connect. Please try again later. To fix that problem, first of all you have to do is long press your WhatsApp icon on your phone and go to the app info by clicking on this button. From here, all you have to do is click on storage and cache. And then you have to click the clear storage button and clear all of the data from WhatsApp. Once you're done, go back and check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is not solved yet, and then what you have to do is click on mobile data usage, scroll down a bit and turn on the toggle called unrestricted data usage. Once the toggle is turned on, check again if your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed yet again, then what you have to do is open your Google Play Store. On the search bar, you have to type in WhatsApp and check if any update is available for WhatsApp, yes or no. If there is any update, click on update and wait for the WhatsApp to install a new update, and hopefully after doing all of these steps, your problem will be solved. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.